angels, welcome back. For those who don't know, my name is Michelle Fontaine Jones and I'm the CEO and founder of Curls and Potions. I'm jumping right in. We went through this series. We were talking about our Ayurveda line, aka our pink collection, and we are on the last product, you guys. This one was really one of those products that I don't want to say I made up, but I did make it up. But this is one of those unique products in my opinion. So it's a conditioner, but not a conditioner. No, that doesn't even make sense. It is a conditioner, but the way that it's made is pretty interesting. So I can't really tell you how I make it, but I can tell you what's in it. And I can tell you what it's going to do for you and who should use it and when you should use it. So the product that we're going to talk about today is going to be our rice water gloss. Right. Okay, what is a gloss? Let's kind of talk about what that is first for those who don't know. Basically, a gloss is a conditioner or a conditioner base. And then you throw in maybe an ingredient that on its own might be too harsh. And I'll just give an example like henna. So we have a henna gloss. So you take a conditioner base and let's say you put in some henna. It's going to give you the benefits, but it's not going to be as strong as if you took the henna itself, whipped it up with some apple cider vinegar and water or whatever, and made a paste and then put it on full throttle. So it's almost like diluting an ingredient. Even though I say our stuff isn't watered down or diluted, but I don't think I don't really think that counts. But anyway, that's essentially what a gloss is. So with this rice water gloss, again, just like in the last videos, we touched on some of the top ingredients being fermented rice water, fenugreek, marshmallow root, all the baselines, right? So you'll find that in this as well. What this is a protein, I would say more lean on the protein, a protein conditioner. But it is a protein conditioner that can be used even if you are protein sensitive. So you could essentially use the deep repair mask 1 week and then use the rice water gloss another week or once a month or before you heat style. Let's dive into the ingredients. So one of the main ingredients in here is something that I'm going to be the first to say I haven't seen, but it's besan flour, aka also known as chickpea flour. Right. No, I'm serious. There's really flour in it. Like, it's real flour. But what this does, besan flour, what it does, it balances the oils in your scalp and it helps with dryness. It also helps to strengthen the hair follicles and it also improves hair growth. Hence, the entire line is for hair growth and length retention. It will also help to add volume to your hair and it makes your hair look healthier. So one would not think that something like flour would be able to do that, but it really does. And it is something that you'll find, even if you're protein sensitive, you can use this product and you will notice the difference in your hair, but it's not going to make your hair dry or stiff and get that protein overload. So next up is the rice flour. So that rice flour mixed with the rice water is only just going to amplify the benefits, okay? So what does that do? Well, the amino acids that are found in the flour, it helps to coat the hair strands of your hair and it helps to repair any damage that might be present. So it's going to feel stronger, it's going to be shinier, and you're going to see less frizz and less tangles. I'm telling you, after using this treatment, you are going to notice a difference. Me personally, I like to use this if I know I'm going to go into heat styling or when I come out of heat styling. So if I know I'm going to blow my hair out, I will go ahead and use the rice water gloss. And then when I go back to curly, I'll use the rice water gloss again. So you cannot go wrong. Even like I said, if you are protein sensitive, girl, you can still use this. You will love it. I'm trying to tell you. It is the most mild, effective protein conditioner I've ever used. You may feel a little texture in there, and that's okay. It rinses out. So do not be alarmed. Like everything else in this line, it is good for low porosity and high porosity hair. Do not be afraid of it. I like to shampoo my hair, obviously. Sometimes I will use the rice water in the line and maybe not, but whichever way, if it's shampoo, then the rice water, don't rinse, and then put in the rice water gloss. That will give you a even stronger, I guess, protein treatment. But if you're somebody who's like, ugh, that's too much protein, then shampoo and do the rice water gloss. I would like to leave it on for at least 30 minutes to an hour if possible, and rinse, 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 rinse really good. See, I said that and I got tongue-tied, but rinse, 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 rinse really good, and you should be good to go. You will notice a difference. Like if you're going to go into a blown style, you're going to notice how much less frizz that you have, how much smoother that blow dry is going to be. Even if you're not going to flat iron, I find that it works really well if you're just going to do a blowout and then maybe do like, I don't know, twist or braid out or something like that. So with this product, those were the two highlights of the entire product, because the baseline is like the rest of the line, and then you have your other conditioning agents that you find in most conditioners. But these two ingredients are really what gives this a bang for its buck. Little goes a long way. Like I said, you only need to use it once a month or once every couple weeks. 6 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever your routine is, your protein moisture balance. This doesn't need to be used weekly. No, you don't need to use it weekly, but maybe not even bi-weekly. It just depends on how you're styling your hair. Every 3 weeks, or unless you're going to do a heat style or revert back. That's how I would recommend it. So you can find this on our website. Again, like everything else, crowsandpotions.com. It's also on walmart.com, and it is not yet on amazon.com. Again, like we said for, I think this is the last video I mentioned, we're slowly adding more products to Amazon. It's a little bit of a process, so you'll start to see certain things pop up there. And you know what? We have concluded every product in this collection. So drop down below, send us a message, follow us on Instagram, whatever you need to do, and let us know which one of these products are your favorite. There were 6 products within the line, and people have fan favorites. Some people have used the whole line and some people haven't. Some people have used 1 or 2 things but never used it cohesively together, because it was meant to work together. So drop something down. Let me know what you love or hate. Do you want to see something added to this line? I was actually considering doing a maybe gel or maybe a little bit of a different styler, because we have the rice milk leave-in, and I really want to be able to, some people just like certain things and they like to have a cohesive collection to work with. I like to mix and match, which is why all of our products are made to work with each other. So if you really enjoy the line, please let us know, because we love hearing from you. And stay tuned and make sure you're following, and you got your bell, the little notification bell, which is somewhere, so you can subscribe, because we're going to continue this. And I'm not really sure what next line we're going to break down for you, but please stay tuned. We have more videos coming. And until next time, I'll see you later, angels.